how to buy Justice for Elmo token. Now this token came under the symbol of Elmo. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 10 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 6 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, you can click here to copy the token address. Now, open your fund to wallet wallet, as you can see. Now, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now, click here and paste the token address in the search bar. So, this is our token, as you can see here. Now, click on it. So, click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy. So, this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. To select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back. As you can see here, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Elmo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.